I wanted to create a professional video overlay for my channel using Gemini, but I will be honest, I never thought it was going to be this easy. Here I made a horizontal overlay in 16:9 aspect ratio. You can make a vertical version. Usually, if you want a transparent overlay with custom animations, you either have to pay for a subscription or spend hours keyframing in After Effects. I thought, can I just ask AI to build me a dedicated tool to do this whenever I want? So I started a conversation with Gemini. I was specific. I wanted "thanks for watching," my handle, and a subscribe button that actually transforms into subscribed. At first, the timing was a bit off. Some elements were appearing too late. But that's the beauty of this process. I just told the AI, hey, make the button appear faster, and can we make my handle look like polished chrome? The AI generated a single HTML file, no complicated software needed. I just saved it to my desktop, opened it in my browser, and it worked. I added a recording feature that exports in WebM format to keep that perfect transparency for my video editor. And here is the result: a sleek silver chrome finish, perfectly timed animation, and a call to action that looks professional. The best part is that if I ever want to change the text for a special video, I just type it into my custom tool and hit record again. AI isn't just for writing essays, it's for building the tools that help us create better content. You can make any infographic or simulation, start from simple HTML files, and then try more difficult apps. Don't forget to subscribe, just like the button says.